Hello, friends! Welcome to Kiddie Fun Corner. Today's story is about a happy little bunny named Peter and how he learned the magic of sharing. Once, in a cozy forest filled with tall trees and singing birds, Peter lived happily. Peter loved carrots, but, oh dear, Peter didn't like to share. One rainy day, Peter looked at his basket. Uh-oh, some carrots were turning soft and bad. He thought, I can't eat them all. So Peter hopped to his friends. He gave them each a yummy carrot. And guess what? Their smiles were so big and bright. Peter felt warm and happy inside. He learned that sharing doesn't make us have less. It makes us have more. More smiles, more love, more friends. Remember, little friends, sharing is caring. The end. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to Kiddie Fun Corner for more fun stories and adventures.